Hey everybody, it's Mindy. Second half of the FGNORMAL order that came. We're going to start with this one. Start with the big one. Yeah. Counter's all cleared off. Nothing on it. Yeah, let's start with this one. Okay. Look at the colors. Wow, that's a dark colored one, isn't it? Deep dark colors. Wow. All right. I think the last few I've gotten have been, lighter. So this is a little different. To 80 by 40. Not as big as some, but 80 by 40 is a good size, right? I'm going to roll it backwards. Oh, yeah. You guys, this is beautiful. Ooh. As I'm unfolding this, looking at some of the colors that are coming across. Yeah. Gorgeous. All right. Oh, I have 2 toolkits. Yeah. 2 toolkits because it's a big one. Look at the colors. This is one of the colors I kept seeing as I was unfolding and rolling. Wow. Wow. Okay, we'll look at those in a minute. Okay, you guys ready for this? It's beautiful. Let me show you. First of all, here's a legend. It's got 23 colors. DMC codes. Okay. Here's, wow. That's a lot of different colors. A lot of different colors. Look at them. There's a lot going on there, right? I know you got glare. Trying to avoid the glare. Look at all that. But they're all super clear. Look, we got gore. See gore right there? Gore. Yeah. Anyhow, so many colors. Wow. But they look good. They look super good. They look super. Look at all that. Okay, confetti, 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 right? I mean, you got a little cluster of J's, you got a few W's, but there's just so much going on there. Wow. It's beautiful. Look at that. Whew. Those are lilies. If I'm not mistaken, that looks like a lily, but wow. Look at it. Whoa, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Guys, that's so pretty. Look at the water. Okay, these have got to be like water lilies in here. Got some trees over here. We got a bridge back here. Oh, that's gorgeous. It's just beautiful. I love the colors in that. Look at the purples in here and these red orange colors. It's gorgeous. They even have flowers across the bridge. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, I could not resist. Could not resist. It's so gorgeous. Wow. All right. I mean, it's poured glue. You saw the symbols already. 80 by 40. These are always sticky. Always, always sticky. 40. What do I want to guess? 35 centimeters probably. Let's see. It is 35 on the nose. So that means it will be 75 long. But it's beautiful. Guys. Wow. Oh, someday I need to do one of these big ones that I keep getting. Just someday. Find myself doing like these, 50 by 70s from other companies that they take a lot of time. But, oh man, look at all the greens. But then look at the pinks and purples. Wow. Gray, blue, mulberry. There's a red. Tans and grays. And that's not a drill, it's just a weird piece of resin plastic. Orange. That's pretty. It's kind of a subdued color, but it's very pretty. And some more, there's really a lot of grays and taupes, but There's a ton of green though too. Ton of green. It's gorgeous. You guys, it's gorgeous. Somebody want to come do this? Come to my house and do this. I'll help you. Just come to my house. We'll get it done together. I want to see that done. It's gorgeous. So many pretty things, you guys. Someday I won't have a YouTube channel and I won't be making videos every day. And what will I do with my time? I will sit and I will diamond paint all day. Because now I do not. No. I might diamond paint in the morning for a little bit while I render and produce some videos. And then maybe in the evening, I might watch or listen, I should say, to somebody on YouTube. Watch some videos and diamond paint a little bit. But that's about it. The rest of my day, I fill with, you know, checking messages, making videos, all of those other things. Okay, here is, I don't think I actually put this in my order. I think it was thrown in for me. Sometimes they do that. I go and I pick, okay, I have a 4-placer. Here it is. I go and I pick out things and, whoa, look at those bright colors. And then sometimes they just throw in something that they might want to showcase, you know, that I didn't choose, but I normally choose everything. It's how I roll. I like to choose it. I like to be picky. Sorry. 23 colors. Here's your legend. It's very small, but, you know, blow that up. If you want to put labels on your containers, you can just put this on a printer. I have a printer. I just put canvases on the printer and I just blow it up and make the legend and make it bigger and run it through my Xyron sticker maker. This is super cute though. Look at it. When I saw this one, I was like, really? That's cute. I didn't order it. They threw it in. But look, it's a 30 by 30. And it's a little mouse. He's just a little mouse in a stocking. Isn't he cute? He's very cute. Yes, super cute. He's got some Christmas balls, ornaments, and he's just hanging out in the stocking. He's cute. Super cute. I don't think we'll open the drills. I mean, you're going to get what? Reds and greens. Lots of reds and greens and yellows, right? So you got greens, rust, red, pink. I don't know where that color's at. Okay, let's look at this. 823. 823. Okay, it's there. Number 21. 21 is M. Where's M? Oh, I guess it's right here. We're going to get some of that teal even. Okay, well, I'm not going to open all of those because we got others to look at. And that's pretty much, the colors are what they are. You see them, okay? He's cute. Cute, cute, cute. This one's fat. I don't know why sometimes they're fatter than others. Like, they're usually the same size. Most of these are 30 by 40s or, you know, 25 by 35s. But some packages are just fatter than others. Oh, totally different color palette. Totally, totally different. And something with ears. I think I know what this is. Oh, no, I was wrong. Okay. It's pretty, though. Thought I had an idea what it was. You know, I forget. I forget what I ordered sometimes. Okay. Wow, that's a bright color for this. I didn't expect that. I thought it was going to be all more pastel colors. But, okay. Oh, look at that. It's a chipmunk. Chipmunk. Chip. Chipmunk. It has an M in it. And a deer. It's just a deer and a chipmunk in the winter. Isn't it pretty? Look at the colors. Super pretty colors, right? Pretty simple. It's a fawn, because look at all the spots. It's a baby deer. The baby deer talking to his friend, the chipmunk. Yeah. Isn't it cute? So cute. It's got 25 colors. It's got a legend on both sides. The other one did too, both sides. Again, the legend is small, but you can blow that up if you want to blow it up. Put it on a printer. Some people talk about doing it on their phone. I don't know how to do it on my phone. I just have a, I have a, you know, I have a printer with my computer, and I just put things on there and make copies, blow it up. Oh, that was so much better. Straighten out that plastic, so much better. Whew. That's so cute. Reminds me of my world right here in the country. The deer, where the deer and the antelope play. Except we have deer and rabbits. That was a rabbit. No, we have a chipmunk too. We do have a couple little chipmunks. But that's, oh, it's beautiful. It's perfect. I love that. I know I've been singing a lot lately. You know, staying at home all this time by myself, I guess that's become an outlet for me. Sing. Oh, this is different. I thought these were all going to be in a strip, but no, they're all separate. They are all individual. Huh, look at that. Little individual bags. And I mean, they're the colors you would expect, right? Browns, greens, grays. They're all individual. Huh. Interesting. I have never gotten one like that. I mean, not from FGNORMAL anyhow. Blues. This is really bright. This is the one that I was like, whoa, that's a bright color for this, because everything else is so, you know, like muted, pastel-y kind of colors. And then you go, bam, right? Pretty though, very pretty. I like this one so much. I do. Nothing like looking out my window and I see that, you know, and I do. I look right out my window here and I see the deer. Our fawns are bigger now. Yeah. You can still tell that they're this year's fawns, but they'll be right over there by the pond and they'll just walking around. And then they see me. Don't ask me how. They can see me through the window. And they look over this way and they see me and then they're like, oh, we better go. Like, I'm like a long ways away from them. I don't know how far, but a long way. But they can see me and they like run. And then they go right by the neighbor's house. Go figure. They go right by the neighbor's house, but this is the one I had out. And this I adore. I adore it. It's so cute. I picked good things, I think. What do you think? Let me know. Oh, come on. I'm going to just demolish the bag here in a second. It's like stuck. It is. It's like stuck. Okay. Surgery. We're going to perform surgery. Okay. I'm going to just tear this bag apart because it's stuck somewhere down here. Okay. Come on. Got the X-Acto knife today. The Melly machetes. I don't know. Buried somewhere. Will you come out now? Nope. It's really stuck on something. Ta-da! We have accomplished the task. Okay, now, if that picture there describes my world and where I live, this one does sort of, in another way. You'll get what I mean in a minute. Also, just as stinking cute, okay? Just as adorable. All right, another toolkit. Kind of the same, you know, drill colors. Let's see. Okay, I've rolled it. It's ready to be unveiled. You ready? Bam. Right? Okay, so the cows that are next door are not this color. I believe this would be, I'd call it a Jersey cow. And the cows next door are black cows. They're like, I don't know if they're Angus or what they are, but they're black. This one's not a black cow, but still. Wouldn't it be funny to go put a cow on, or a hat on the neighbor's cow? Ah, that would be a hoot, wouldn't it? Hey there, how you doing? Isn't she cute? I call her a she. I don't know why. She just looks like a she. She's adorable. All I can do is chuckle when I look at that. I've done a cow, or not done, I haven't done any of them. What am I talking about? I've unbagged a cute little cow before, the hairy cow, right? But now we got this cow, Christmas cow, and she's just adorable, just adorable. As the product is a manual drilling method, there may be some missing diamonds. If such a situation occurs, please contact us. We will reply to you within 24 hours until you are satisfied. There you go. So cute. Okay, do you want to do deer and chipmunks, or do you want to do cows? I don't know. All right, here's the drills. I'm not going to open them. We got some red for the hat, and we got cow colors. We got browns, reds, and greens, and blues, okay? That's what's in here. Gray, blue, red, brown, little pink. Adorable, just adorable. So, yeah, like I said, deer, chipmunk, cow. Welcome to my life. Now I need a dachshund over here, and then we'd be all set. And then my bunny. Yeah, that's my life. Okay, thanks for watching, you guys, and I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you found something you liked here. They're so cute, just so cute. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to stop talking now and clean up, and maybe I'll find some time to diamond paint. All right, thanks for watching, liking, subscribing, and feel free to comment. I hope you enjoy. Okay, I will talk to all of you later. Happy holidays. If I don't make another video before then, maybe you'll see this one before Christmas. Maybe not. I don't know. We'll find out. You'll find out. All right. Talk to you later.